What's up? How are you doing? My name is Seven and I'm your host. Are you ready to go on a fishing trip with me? Today I'm going to take you to Centennial Lake in Englewood, Colorado and show you how I fish it. It's a nice lake in the city. Let's see how it turns out. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about: fish, snacks, and sleep. Okay, so you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
Today we're at Centennial Lake in Englewood, Colorado. I'm going to show you my rig. It's about 16 inches. We're catching and release today, so I'm using a circle C hook from Eagle Claw. You pretty much can use any power bait out here. So today I'm using rainbow power bait. This is pretty much all you need. Make sure it floats. Cast out as far as you can. And then we wait. Jumper. popped off too. Whew. Wrapped around a tree. You want to see it?
Yeah, she wants to see you.
You want to play with it?
Oh no.
What
Oh,
is
it's
it?
pretty. It looks purple.
It's purple?
It looks purple.
Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. The next time you go to Centennial Lake in Englewood, Colorado, bring you some power bait and see what you may catch. Comment below and let me know what you caught. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Check out other videos on this channel. I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.